Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you control the content and want to share it. This matters legally and practically. Once done, decide what permissions matter: attribution, commercial use, modifications, and share alike requirements. Use the Creative Commons chooser to compare options like CC0, CC by SAW, and CC by NC. This speeds selection and prevents mismatches. Make sure to document the choice and why you selected it so collaborators understand the scope before you apply the license to files or metadata. You now apply the license directly to the work and its distribution points. First, embed license info into file metadata and document headers so it travels with the file. That reduces confusion later. Then add a plain language notice with the license name, a link, and your preferred attribution format so users know how to credit you. Finally, include machine-readable tags and icons on web pages or platforms to ensure automated systems and search engines recognize the license. You finish by sharing your licensed work widely and monitoring how others use it. Provide a sample attribution to make compliance simple, and check common hosting sites and social channels for misuse. If something goes wrong, first send a polite contact explaining the license and correct attribution. Most issues resolve quickly. If misuse continues or you need to change terms, handle relicensing with clear notice and consider legal advice. Creative Commons grants are simple, but they are legally binding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.